Hello everyone. Today we have a overachiever with us. A student named Piyush Kesarwani is with us and who is in his final year of BTech. He is from NIT Rourkela and he has already been placed in Gale, and apart from that he has also got great rank in both civil engineering and environmental science papers in this GATE 2021. He has scored AIR 22 in environmental science paper and AIR 171 in civil engineering paper. So let's know more about his success story and about his journey from him. So hi Piyush, how are you feeling? I mean, it's been little old now, but how are you still feeling? And I mean, there's a lot with you. You have already been placed and you have cleared both the exams. So yeah, start with how are you feeling?
Uh, okay, first of all, I would like to thank you to give me this opportunity to have a talk with me. I started preparing for GATE. COVID thing happened. After that, we went to the home, and from there we started preparing for GATE. And the journey was it was a full of obstacles in between the way. But thanks to EPSED, it helped me a lot because your daily quizzes and weekly test helped me a lot to figure out like where I am lacking, where should I work.
Yeah.
At the same time, I was in seventh semester, I was studying as well,
Hmm.
so I have to balance my the time between the semester things and between the GATE exam. Somehow finally I like wrote the paper, I gave the test series also, I was scoring better, I was scoring good in the test series. So I these things, because of these things, I gained my confidence. So the day finally came to write the paper, it was my first attempt, so I got bit anxious also.
Hmm. Hmm.
I was expecting a bit more, but this was my first attempt. No, so
Yeah.
I don't know what happened to me during the exam, but
Yeah.
that's okay. Finally, hard work. I feel like hard work paid to me, and I am satisfied by my rank. And as you mentioned, at the same time, in the placement session from my college, I got placed in Gale India. So what I feel like I did hard work, and I got the PSU. That is very good for me. Thank you.
Yeah. So tell us little bit about when did you, I mean, about your preparation journey, like when did you decide to prepare, decide to prepare, and how did you approach your preparation? Like there are tough subjects, there are easy subjects. So, I mean, what is your take on all that, and how did you take that whole process?
Okay, so when I started the preparation, I was very anxious. I was not sure whether I will be able to make it or not. So I can remember a time I gave you a scholarship test, and in
Yeah.
that scholarship test,
Yeah.
I
You.
scored the AIR of 8.
Yes. Yes.
So this was a kind of moment for me. I got the confidence. Yes, I can get a good rank. After that, I took the preparation seriously. Then
Hmm.
I started studying. I did in such a way. I decided three subjects for a day to give for. One thing is to revise the three subject, and at the same time 3 hours for practicing the question of that subjects.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
in that way I finished my subject. I started like two tough subjects, along with that one easy subjects for a same day. And
Okay.
doing this frequency, I was keep repeating these things like a total. I figured out 9 subjects were there that I made in my one schedule. So in that 9 subject, I used to get three subjects every day. In that way, in the frequency of 3 days, I did my revision and I practiced in this way. So I continued this. But one thing that I found most important is the previous year question papers and the mock test paper.
Hmm.
So I started giving mock test paper from December onwards, and as
Okay.
much I can remember, almost every day I attempt the one full length mock. So this helped me
December
to boost
onwards.
my, yeah, from
Hmm.
December onwards, like every day I started giving one full length mocks every day.
Hmm. Hmm.
So this boost my confidence, and because of that only I feel like anyone can get a good rank.
Hmm. So as you are saying that you have attempted so many tests, so I would like to know, and a lot of students should also know, how did you assess your performance after the test? What did you do after the test? Did you take notes of your mistakes
uh,
and?
Here I feel like I did a mistake. I want to give advice also for the future aspirants.
Hmm.
What I did a mistake, I wrote the test, and after writing the test only, I started analyzing the test. I was pinpointing my mistakes, but what I feel, this is not the good way to analyze the test. After the results only, what I feel now, you should write the test, and after writing the test you should wait for 2 to 3 days. In the meantime you should think over that, where you did mistake, those mistakes. Some in GATE exam the mistakes are like, sometimes you miss the unit, sometimes you miss the reference line, in that way.
Yeah.
So after writing the test, your subconscious mind will have those things, so you have a better understanding of the question. So what I feel, we should analyze the test, but after, not frequently after writing the test, maybe 2 3 days later,
So that you can recall whatever you did in the test, and it is
yeah,
better.
whatever the time I did in the test. Yes.
Mhm. And what about the last few days of preparation? Let's say last 1 week, and on the, I mean, you already are saying that you were stressed on the day of exam, but do you have any
Yeah,
advice for that?
one video I saw earlier, one guy was there who was placed in IOCL. I forgot his name. I
Hmm.
saw his video,
Yeah, yeah.
but saying was the he was telling in a way like, you should last 1 month you should prepare to get ready for the day of the exam.
Hmm.
So this is actually true, because what you are preparing, I was expecting in civil also a rank closer to 25 only, because my tests were going good. The
Hmm.
only mistake I did when I went for writing the exam, I did very casual and silly mistakes.
Hmm.
So, and these mistakes happens because when you comes under the pressure. So
Yeah.
my final advice is to be calm, like within the last, it's enough if you have studied only 85% also, that's more than enough. In that also you can score a very decent rank.
Hmm.
No need to panic for that. So I feel like for the last few days of exam, one should not take so much stress. He should be relaxed only, and he should write the paper calmly.
Yeah. And as you have written both the exams, so what went behind that decision? Like, you intentionally prepare for both, or what were you thinking about that?
To be very honest, I talked with my friends. They said no, it's not good decision to write for both the exams. Uh, but I felt like I was little bit more attracted towards the environmental things. So I thought it's okay. I was not expecting anything from the environmental science. But
Hmm.
see today, sometime it happens like when you are doing something, maybe if it belongs to your domain or you want to achieve that thing, so sometime your fortune may work. So what I feel, for me in environmental science, my fortune worked for me. But
But
I was preparing for the same.
okay, okay. I mean, there are some additional subjects which are not related to civil. Did you study subjects like chemistry or microbiology? Did you give time to those subjects?
Honestly, I didn't give much time to those subjects, but I
Hmm.
revised, because anyway we are from science stream, so we
Yeah,
have a
yeah.
basic knowledge of
Hmm.
PCM, and along with that biology also.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I didn't give much time, but when exams were coming closer in January, I tried to revise those things.
That's nice. How did you like our test series? Did you find it useful? Uh, and
Yeah, the best part of the journey is the your test series. I got all India rank of 2 when I wrote the test series, that is the open test series.
yeah.
So that like boost my confidence so much.
Hmm.
After that, the test series for environment also, what I can relate also, the level of questions you provided is very good. It's excellent actually. So the test series provided by you is like greatly helped me a lot.
That's a nice thing to hear. Apart from that, do you have any feedback for it? Any feedback or suggestion, if you have, over which we can improve our courses, or we should be providing based on your preparation?
I think like you are, I don't think there is any kind of suggestion that I should give. Yeah, I would like to tell you one thing. Sometime it happens, means like after writing the test, there are some questions which are very critical,
Hmm.
and the concept and logic behind those things are very critical. So what I want, just like in short, provide some tip point. Like tip points are very important, some trick points in some sort, maybe after the test, in the analysis of the test,
Hmm.
provide 1 or 2 pages of some tip point, like this is the means this is what the trick hidden here. So
Hmm.
if we will aware of that trick, no, so there are chances like in the future we'll not do that mistake again.
Okay, that's a nice suggestion. So basically, in our explanation of the question, if there is some critical question, so for that we can add these additional things.
In explanation, you have a video explanation.
No,
No, you have a
mostly
written.
written explanation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So problem with that, no, because sometime it happens like we did a question. Suppose we guess the question and the question is right. So we are not going to look that explanation for that question. That is for sure.
Yeah.
So my suggestion
Okay.
is at the end
Apart
of the
from
test,
the
just
okay.
yes, apart from
Yeah.
the test series, just a half
That's
page, that will be like very good, what I
that's
feel.
a nice thing. We'll try to incorporate that. So thank you for that. If you
Thank
have
you.
anything to share to our viewers and the aspirants for next exam, you would like to tell something?
uh, just I would like to tell, take it easily and believe on yourself and do your preparations honestly. I am sure that you are going to make it.
That's nice, and it was a nice call with you. We got a lot of insights from you, and I hope this will be useful to our students and aspirants for the other exams as well. So thank you, Piyush. Thank you for sharing your journey. And if you need
Thank you so
any
much,
help
Akshay.
also, we'll be happy to help in your future. I mean, if you are applying for any other PSUs or any other whatever your plans are, we'll be there to help you in those processes also.
Thank you so much.
Okay.